Hey everybody, and welcome to the next 3 ways in Flame. Now this one is going to be on an important thing to know, which is saving and loading setups. So this will apply to whether we are copying and pasting between setups and how we can save chunks of our trees to reuse or reload in other setups. So again, very simple setup, but let's say I wanted to use this in another batch. So if I just go new, I'll do batch group. Sorry. And say, the one way to get this from here to there is to select this and back click and go copy, go to our new batch and paste. And, we've done exactly what you'd expect. We've not essentially saved or loaded, but we've pushed the data to where we wanted to get it to. So another way that exists is these user and project bins. So user, anything to do with the user will be loaded in here, and then anything to do with the project will always live in here on a per project basis. So the way I do this is if I drag this guy just by holding Alt and drop him in there, it'll prompt me to name it, and I can call this setup 1. And now if we go to this other new batch, we can load that guy just by dragging and dropping in there. And again, this is useful if you're repurposing effects and just want to keep things set up in that way. It's cool to have a quick little bar of seeing where everything lives. Now, a third way is if we control drag around this and we just go into the save selected as, and we call this batch 001, let's confirm, that's fine, we're overriding, is we can load it this way too, which is more of a legacy way. So I'm just going to go load and append, and if we select that, you see now that's loaded that into that setup. Now there's also a fourth way, which is just by the iterations. So this guy here, if I just iterate him, and now we go to this empty batch and we can just drag that other previous batch into here. And now we've got the same thing. So again, in this case, 4 different ways of doing the same thing, but good to know and can be handy. So that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more.